What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna be discussing about the Apple smartwatch or Apple Watch 8 series and 8 series Pro and how they can measure the body temperature using simple Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into the video. If you're new to the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into the video. So about the wristwatch, your temperature, your wrist temperature is measurement related to your body's temperature taken by your Apple Watch while you are asleep. Your body temperature naturally fluctuates and can vary each night due to your diet and exercise, alcohol consumption, sleep environment, or psychological factors such as menstrual cycles and illness. About 5 nights, your Apple Watch will determine your baseline rest temperature and looks for nightly changes. So here what you need: an Apple Watch Series 8 or later or any model of Apple Watch Ultra. Sleep must be set up with track sleep with Apple Watch enabled. Sleep focus must be enabled for at least 4 hours a night for about 5 nights. View your wrist temperature data that will look like this thing, and you can turn it off. Things you should know is that the temperature sensing feature is not medical device and is not intended for use in medical diagnosis, treatment, or for any other medical purposes. The temperature sensing feature is not thermometer and cannot provide wrist temperature measurement on demand. The temperature sensing feature is designed for users who are not least 14 years old. So the people who are above 14 years old can use this feature. So the other thing you need to know is that wrist temperature data can also be impacted by certain psychological, lifestyle, and environmental factors. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel and please like the video, comment under the video, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.